Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing video and this time it is Joah Box. So this is what it looks like. It's a Korean beauty subscription box shipped all the way from Korea. So if you're new to Joah Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, what it costs and what you get, etc. But if you've seen it all before, you've seen my previous videos, then you are welcome to skip forward to seeing the actual contents of this box. I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to just flick forward. Now they send out their subscription boxes towards the end of the month. They offer free worldwide shipping, so it depends on where you live. That's when you will receive your box. But I received this just after Christmas, so I'm a little late in posting this up. I have had a look inside and it's all related to festive season. So as we're a couple of days into January now, I just thought I'd mention that. So yeah, so these boxes, if you're interested in the subscription yourself, then they tend to come around the 26th, 27th of every month. It's featured in loads of articles online. Apparently it's one of the best Korean subscription boxes out there. So if you're interested to learn a little bit more about it, and I will add links down below, so click on my show more, that will bring up the description and everything related to that box will down there, and if I can find a discount code as well, so everything will be listed down there, so you're free to take a look. They also have previous boxes on their website, so you're able to have a look back to see what type of products that they put in the box. So if you're unsure exactly, then that'll give you a better idea. I've also been doing this now for the last 2-3 months, so I have got a little playlist going, so I'll add that down below if you're curious to see what I received in those boxes. Now Joah Box reached out to me a couple of months ago and they are kindly sending me these boxes. I think they're for 3 months, so I think this might be my last one, but I'm not too sure about that. Hopefully not, because I absolutely love them. But if it comes to an end, it's come to an end. I'm grateful because I get to keep the products, but then also I'm showing you what is out there, and I know more and more of you are interested to learn what subscription boxes do ship worldwide and the costs and etc. So it comes in different subscription plans. If you want to get a monthly rolling subscription, it'll cost you $33, but converted into UK pounds, you're looking at about £25 a box. They offer 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which brings down the cost as well, and they offer one-off boxes for a little bit more expensive, but they come in at £35.95, and then converted into UK, you're looking at about £27 for a one-off box. So if you wanted to send it as a gift, or if you just wanted to try it just to see what it's like, then there's that option there. So inside this box contains a mix of beauty products. You get makeup, skincare, nail care, hair care. There's a lot of different things in here. There's usually around 5 items, and there's a little booklet explaining everything about the products, and if some of the products are in Korean, then in that booklet it gives you a breakdown of what it is, what and how you're supposed to use it, etc. All items are full size, and all items tend to be trending Korean beauty products as well. So new up and coming products, or products that have got a really good fan base back in Korea. Online you can personalize this box to yourself to an extent. They do ask your skin tone, your skin type, and more items you'd like to see more of, so they can tailor the box as much as they can to your specific needs then. So I think that's it. Oh, I forgot to say you can cancel any time as well. So let's open this up. So inside you'll see some leaflets. Just take them out, and those are the products in there. So I'll just put these down to the side of me, and then I will pick an item up, show you, and refer back to the leaflet here. So this is the little booklet, and it tells you everything about the products in here, including the prices as well, which I really like. So I'll refer to this as we go along. The first item is bubble wrapped, and I haven't had a look at this yet. I've just had a quick sneak peek in the box, just to have an idea about what it's like, because I couldn't help myself, because I did have this about a week or 2 ago, just after Christmas. But I haven't actually properly opened it. So you got an oil, 100% original camellia oil, and it's all in Korean, so I don't know anything about it. So that's what that looks like there. I'm running low. I mix a facial oil with my moisturiser, and it just leaves my skin looking more glowy and hydrated. It just feels really nice, and no scent to this oil, but it feels nice. It just feels really nice. So let's see what it says in the information. So obviously this is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price for this is $16, and it says camellia has quickly become a go-to ingredient for Korean skin and hair care brands, so we are sharing the trend with you. We picked 100% pure camellia oil, which is rich in antioxidants that help fight premature aging. It's very moisturizing, so you can even add a few drops to your weekly hair pack. Can be used on face and hair and body. see. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Really can't wait. I'm gonna try it first on my moisturiser, as I just said, but then I'm gonna try it on my hair as well. So yeah. Next we've got a rose sleeping mask. So 75% rose, centifolia, flower water, real rose petals, and this is 50 ml. That's the outer packaging there. It's all in like bits. Let's see if you can pick it up there. Take that there, can you see? Get me out of shot and you might be able to see that it's all lots of little bits in there. Now I'm not keen on rose smelling things. I actually don't like the smell at all. But face masks, I wouldn't mind using that. So what's it like? I know it's gonna be sticky on my hand. Yeah, it's a definite rose smelling face mask. It's not something I would wear like as a perfume or anything, but obviously it's not a perfume. It's a sleep-in mask. So no, really, really interested to see that. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this is $22, and it says, Comleaf is a very responsible brand, eco-friendly and cruelty-free. Rose Sleep Mask is an ultra-hydrating mask with 75% rose water and real rose petals. The rose petals are what the bits are. I'm a bit slow this morning, I'm really sorry. This serum-like mask absorbs into the skin during sleep, providing a renewed glow by morning. And it says how to use. At your last step of your skincare routine, apply a generous amount onto your skin and pat or massage the product until absorption. Wash thoroughly in the morning. So now I'll definitely be giving that a go. Smell, yeah, not too keen, but it's a sleeping mask, so I am going to try that. Next we got some makeup, and this is Candy Lab and Cream Pop, the velvet colour, silky smooth and long lasting, and has it got a shade? Antisocial. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. So let's open it up. So that looks like there. Oh, nice colour. Oh, it's a little bit different. Can you see the wand there? It's just tilted a little bit. Let's try a bit. Let's try a bit here. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I love these colours. It's like a deep burgundy red colour, but no, really nice. And I love this wand. You can really get into the corners. No, I like that. So the recommended retail price for this is $14. Here is our latest lip tint finds. Cream Pop, the velvet lip colour, passed the eating and drinking test. It's a silky smooth and long lasting velvet lip tint. Picked the shades Warm Blood, Going Wild and Antisocial. Those are the different colours there that you would have received in this box if you got December's box. So no, I'm chuffed with mine. So that's that item. Next we got something called Noni Ban or Noni Bane, and it's a vitalising cream, Herb Aid Complex. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. That's what that looks like there. So it's a big tube of something. Let's read it first before I try it. Let's see what it says. So the recommended retail price for this is $18, and it says this cream contains over 15% of noni extract and herb aid complex that helps skin effectively hydrates and moisturizes the skin and provides nutrients necessary for healthy skin. Herb Aid Complex 10 is formulated using various phytochemicals from a variety of botanical and herbal sources. So it's a moisturizing cream. Okay, let's try it then. I was expecting it to be really overpowering herby type smells, but it's not. It's quite nice. It's a little bit like cut grass, but very subtle. But no, that's really, really nice. And it feels lovely too. So no, so that's our moisturiser we got. And then we got one last item. And we always get a mask. From the boxes that I've received anyway, we always receive a sheet mask. And this is the one we got in this month's box. Now I had one of these. It must be the same brand. It must be because the packaging looks identical. It's got holographic sort of little particles. You might not be able to see it on the camera there, but I had one of these in a Korean Mask Time subscription box called Mask Time, which is quite cool. But yeah, no, really nice. Nohi Modeling Mask Serum Chrysanthemum, and it's a calming sheet mask. So what's the information say here? So the recommended retail price for this is $3.50. Soothing essence which contains natural chrysanthemum and photosqualene have I said that right? Moisturizes and soothes skin. The surface of this gold sheet mask acts as a barrier to allow the serum to penetrate deeply into the skin in ultimate moisture. After face wash, use toner to prepare skin, pull out mask sheet and place onto face, gold colour facing outwards. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove mask and pat essence lightly for skin absorption. So this is by Modeling Mask Serum. So that's the brand there. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So there we go. We've got 5 items all together. It all adds up to $73, $74. So way above the $33 price tag. We got some really great stuff. We got a mask, which we always get. So I know that looks quite nice. We got a lipstick, which I really like. The colour is gorgeous. Definitely a colour I use, which you probably see me wearing on this channel quite often. Then we got a facial oil. We've got a sleep-in face mask, and we've got a facial moisturiser as well. I'm really impressed with the items they send me. The box is really quirky, a bit different. Yeah, it's just really interesting things. I'm excited to try them all. So if you're interested in Korean beauty and Korean subscription boxes, I definitely recommend checking this out to see if it's something that might interest you, and take a look on their website to have a look at previous boxes so that you get an idea of what they send out to people as well. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts, especially if you know of any other Korean subscription boxes out there that you think I should check out, and how do they compare. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, it would be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.